Hi, this is my last video to go with the book Secrets of Brush Calligraphy, and in this clip I'll show you how to write on unusual surfaces. You might like to personalise a wine glass for a friend or decorate a pencil case. But because objects have irregular surfaces and shapes, getting your lettering to look good can be a challenge. For any 3D object, the secret is to secure it as best you can. Next, find something to rest your arm on. By propping your arm, your hand is steadied, which makes it easier to write. Do a test to make sure you get the effect you want. For working on metal, plastic, glass and ceramics, Posca pens are good, as are Edding porcelain brush pens. Edding have a less flexible tip, so they're easier to control. Whichever pen you choose, don't forget to heat the object in the oven for 25 minutes to make it permanent. Material can be tricky to write on because it's stretchy and moves. Pull the section you're working on as tight as you can, so it doesn't pucker as you write. Sharpie stain pens are fab for this. Remember to iron on the reverse of your design to make it permanent. Have fun writing on different surfaces and objects, and before you know it, you'll be lettering onto anything that doesn't move. I hope you've enjoyed learning about brush lettering. If so, why not try my first book, Secrets of Modern Calligraphy, which teaches you how to use a nib. Until then, happy lettering!